Hi students, welcome to 10th standard Maths pair of linear equations in two variables. In the last session we learned some questions, but today we are going to learn graphical solutions. First question, 5 pencils and 7 pens. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46 rupees. Find the cost of one pencil and that of one pen. So what is the given question? 5 pencils and 7 pens cost 50 rupees and 7 pencils and 5 pens cost 46 rupees. Find cost of one pencil and one pen. Okay, so here given 5 pencils and 7 pens cost 50 rupees, 7 pencils and 5 pens cost 46 rupees, that is given. Unknown cost of one pencil and cost of one pen. So we are reasoning three conditions: a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, and third one, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. These three conditions are main conditions. Okay, now coming to solution part. Let us assume cost of one pencil be x and cost of one pen be y, because cost of one pencil and cost of one pen, these two are unknown values. Okay, let us assume cost of one pen equal to x rupees and the cost of one pen equals to y rupees. Cost of 5 pencils and 7 pens. Cost of 5 pencils and 7 pens is 50 rupees. Cost of 5 pencils. Cost of 1 pencil equal to x rupees. Cost of 5 pencils equals to 5x rupees. Plus cost of 1 pen equal to y rupees. 7 pens means 7y is equals to 50. So equational form, 5x plus 7y is equals to 50. Okay. Now second one, and cost of 7 pencils and 5 pens is 46 rupees. 7 pencils and 5 pens. So cost of 1 pencil equal to x rupees, then cost of 7 pencils equals to 7x rupees. And cost of 1 pen equal to y rupees, the cost of 5 pens equals to 5y rupees. This is written as 7x plus 5y is equals to 46. This is the second condition. Okay. Now next one, algebraic representation where x and y are cost of one pencil and one respectively. Okay, now you have to write algebraic form, algebraic notation. Therefore the algebraic representation for equation 1. Okay, first of all you have to write the equation 1, 5x plus 7y equal to 50. So algebraic representation means you have to find any one value, either x value or y value. This is written as 5x plus 7y equal to 50. 7y equal to 50 minus 5x. 7y equals to 50 minus 5x. And y equal to 50 minus 5x by 7. 50 minus 5x by 7. That is the y value. So this is called algebraic representation or algebraic form. Now you have to write second expression or second equation. The algebraic representation for equation 2. So what is the equation 2? Second equation, 7x plus 5y is equals to 46 rupees. So 7 pencils and 5 pens equal to 46 rupees. Now you have to find either x value or y value. 5y equal to 46 minus 7x. 7x in LHS place. So transpose 7x from LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 7x. So this is written as 5y is equals to 46 minus 7x. Now y is equals to 46 minus 7x by 5. Clear? 5y equal to 46 minus 7x. Then y equals to 46 minus 7x by 5. So 5 in multiplication position. Transpose 5 from LHS to RHS, it becomes division symbol. Then y equal to 46 minus 7x by 5. Clear? Now solution table for first equation. So what is the first equation? 5x plus 7y equal to 50. How to write solution table? So do you know solution table? How to write x value and y value? Okay. Write x value. So I have to take x value 3, minus 4 and 10. Not only 3 minus 4, you can take any 3 or more values. If x equals to 3, then find y value. If x equals to minus 4, find y value. If x equals to 10, find y value. So what is the y value? 50 minus 5x by 7. First equation. 50 minus 5x by 7. X equals to 3. Find y value. Okay. Y equals to 50 minus y equals to 50 minus 5x means 5 into 3. 5 into 3 by 7. So y equal to 50 minus 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 50 minus 15 by 7. What is the next step? Y equals to 50 minus 15 by 7. Now next step, y equals to 50 minus 15. You get 35. Subtraction 10 minus 5, 5 and 4 minus 1, 3. So 35 by 7 means 7 ones are 7 5s are. Therefore y equals to 5. Now second value x equal to minus 4. X equals to minus 4 or to find y value. So what is the y value? 50 minus 5x by 7. 50 minus 5x by 7. 50 minus 5 into x value minus 4 by 7. What is the next step? Y equals to 50 minus into minus plus 5 fours are 20. Okay. 50 plus 20 by 7. 50 plus 20 by 7. So 50 plus 20, we got 70. 70 by 7 means 7 ones are 7 tens are. What is the next step? Y equal to 70 by 7. 7 ones are 7 tens are. Therefore y equals to 10. Y equals to 10. And next value, x equals to 10. X equals to 10. Then find the value of y. So what is the value of y? 50 minus 5x by 7. 50 minus 5x by 7. 50 minus 5 into what is the value of x here? 10. So substitute 10 in x plus 5 in 10, 50. 50 minus 50, 0. 0 by anything? 0. Clear? Now y is equals to 50 minus 50 by 7. Then y equals to 0 by 7 means 0. So this is the solution table for first equation. Clear? Now we have to write solution table for second equation. Okay. Solution table for second. X value. So x equals to 3. Find y value. X equals to 8. Find y value. So what is the value of y here? Y equals to 46 minus 7x by 5. Okay. So for x value 3. Substitute x value in 7x plus. Okay. 46 minus 7x by 5. Substitute x equals to the given equation y. Now y equals to 46 minus 7 into 3. 7 into 3. Y value 46 minus 7x. So substitute x. What is the value of x here? 3. Okay. 46 minus 7 3s are 21. 46 minus 21 by 5. 46 minus 21 by 5. Now subtraction 6 minus 1 5. 4 minus 2 2. Y equals to 25 by 2. So 5 ones are 5, 5s are. So what is the value of y? 5. Value of y equals to 5. Clear? Next one. X equals to 8. X equals to 8. Find y value. Y equal to 46 minus 7x means 46 minus 7 into 8. 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56. 46 minus 56, we get minus 10. Okay. Then y is written as 46 minus 56 by 5. So 46 minus 56 minus 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 2s are minus 2. Therefore y equals to minus 2. Y equals to minus 2. Are you clear? This is the second table. Next one. Coming to graphical solutions. Draw the graph. So here x values and y values. X values and y values. First value. What is the first value of x value? Substitute 3 minus 5 and 8 minus 2 and 4 comma minus 4 comma 10. Minus 4 comma 10. So look at all the points and draw the lines. Clear? Now we get intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. So from the graph solution, x comma y equals to 3 comma 5. So x and y 3 comma 5, because these two lines are intersecting at a common point 3 comma 5. So x means 3 and y means 5. Cost of one pencil x equals to 3 rupees and cost of one pen y equals to 5 rupees. Clear? Now we are going to another question. Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Okay. So question number 1. So what the given question, x plus y equals to 5 and 2x plus y equals to 10. These two are given equations. So how to find consistent or inconsistent without a graph? How to check, or you have to write the conditions a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, and a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So these three are useful for given question. So first of all, you have to write a1 b1 c1 and at the same time a2 b2 c2 also. Okay, coming to solution part. Given equations are x plus y equals to 5 and 2x plus 2y equals to 10. Here a1 equals to, a1 means 1, b1 means 1 and c1 means 5, a2 means 2, b2 means 2 and c2 means 10. Okay, now condition, therefore a1 by a2, a1 by a2. So what is the value of a1? 1, a2 value 2, 1 by 2. Then what the next one? b1 by b2, b1 by b2. So b1 value 1 and b2 value 2, 1 by 2. And c1 by c2, c1 by c2 equals, c1 means 5, c2 means 10, 5 by 10. So 5 by 10 written as 5 ones are 5 twos are. Now what do you observe? a1 by a2 equals to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 equals to 1 by 2 and c1 by c2 equals to 1 by 2. So a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 also equal. Clear? At the condition a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. Now what do you observe? Given lines are coincident lines. Coincident lines means dependent lines and consistent lines. Clear? Therefore lines are coincident and have infinitely many solutions. Hence they are consistent lines. Clear? Coincident lines, and these two are means given equations are having infinitely many solutions. Hence they are consistent lines. Clear? We are going to algebraic form. So algebraic form of x plus y equals to 5. X plus y equal to 5 is written as y equal to 5 minus x. Y equals to 5 minus x. Now we have to write solution table. Solution table for x plus y equals to 5. X plus y equals to 5. X value, and suppose you have to take x value and y value. X value, x, y value 5 minus x. So you have to take any two or values. Not your wish. You can take any two or more values. Suppose x equals to 1. X equals to 1. So what is the value of y? 5 minus 1. We get 4. Okay. Y equal to 5 minus 1. Then y equals to 4. And second value x equals to 2. X equals to 2. So substitute 2 in x plus. Y equals to 5 minus 2. Y equals to 5 minus 2. Then y equals to 3. So we get x equals to 1. Then y equals to 4. X equals to 2 and y equals to 3. So to take these two values, x equals to 1 and y equals to 4 and x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. So these two values are useful for graph. Okay. Now we are coming to algebraic form of second equation. Algebraic form of what second equation? 2x plus 2y equals 10. This is written as 2y equals to 10 minus 2x, 10 minus 2x. Clear? 2y equals to 10 minus 2x and y equals to 10 minus 2x by 2. Y equals to 10 minus 2x by 2. Clear? Here 10 and 2 are divisible by second table. 2 ones are 2 5s are 2 ones are 2 ones are. This is written as y equals to 10 by 2 minus 2x by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are 2 cancel. So what is the value of y here? Y equals to 5 minus x. Y equals to 5 minus x. Okay. Now we are going to solution table. Solution table for 2x plus 2y equals to 10. 2x plus 2y equals to 10. So draw the table first. X value, y value, x value, y value. Write the x value x and y value y equals to 5 minus x. 5 minus x. So you have to take any two values. Okay, x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. You can take any value that your wish. Suppose x equals to 3. X equals to 3. So what the value of y? Y equals to 5 minus 3. Y equals to 5 minus 3. Okay. 5 minus 3 means y equals to 5 minus 3 and then y equals to 2. Y equals to 2. So what is the value of x value 3? Then we get y equals to 2. 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. Okay. Now x value 4. X value 4. Find y value. Y equals to 5 minus 4. Y equals to 5 minus 4 means y equals to 1. Y equals to 1. So 3 2 and 4 1. 3 2 and 4 1. Clear? This is the values for second equation. Now we are going to the graph. Draw the graph. So look at the all points. Plotting the points 4 comma 1. 3 comma 2 and 2 comma 3 and 1 comma 4, both equation 1 and equations 2. So join line, we get only one line, means two equations are coincident lines. Okay, clear? Observe the graph. Each and every scale means each and every unit represents 0 1 1 2 2 3 means scale x-axis equals to 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit and y-axis 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Clear? Now let the condition. All the points on the coincident line are solutions for the given pair of equations. All the points on coincident line are solution for the given pair of equations, means these two lines are coincident with each other, means given equations are coincident lines. Okay, clear? Now we are going to another question. Second question. 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. It's the given question. Okay. Have to write the solution part. After that, given equations are 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0, 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. Here a1 equals to 2, b1 equals to 1 and c1 equals to minus 6. At the same time a2 equals to 4, b2 equal to minus 2 and c2 equals to minus 4. But to check conditions, a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. You have to check these three conditions. Clear? So we are going to solution part. Solution. Given equations are 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0, 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. Okay. Now here a1 equals to 2, b1 is equals to 1 and c1 equals to minus 6, a2 equals to 4, b2 equals to minus 2 and c2 equals to minus 4. Okay. Write the conditions. Therefore a1 by a2. So what is the value of a1 by a2? a1 means 2, a2 means 4, a2 means 4, means 2 by 4, 2 by 4. Clear? a1 means 2, a2 means 4, 2 by 4. Second condition, b1 by b2. So what is the value of b1? b1 equals to 1 and b2 equals to minus 2. b2 equals to minus 2. Okay. 1 by minus 2. 1 by minus 2. Next one, c1 by c2. So what is the value of c1? Minus 6 and c2 minus 4. c2 minus 4. So minus minus cancel. So 6 by 4. These two are divisible by second table. 2 2s are 2, 3s are. Now what do you observe here? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2 because A1 by A2 means 2 by 4. A1 by A2 means 2 by 4. 2 by 4 written as 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. But B1 by B2 means B1 means 1 and B2 means minus 2. This is 1 by minus 2 or minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 are not, both are equal, not equal, not equal. So 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 are different values. So A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2. Now what do you observe? Given lines are intersecting lines, means it has unique solution, and consistent lines, clear? Now next one, therefore lines are intersecting and have one solution, hence they are consistent lines. Okay, now we are going to write algebraic form of 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. So this is written as 2x plus y equals to 6 and y equal to 6 minus 2x, y equals to 6 minus 2x. So first one, 2x plus y equals to minus 6 in LHS place. So transpose minus 6 from LHS to RHS, it becomes plus 6. This is written as y is equals to 6 minus 2x, 6 minus 2x. So to write solution table, x value and y value. Draw the table, solution table for 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. So draw the table, write down the x values and y values, x value and y value. So what is the value of y? 6 minus 2x, 6 minus 2x. Suppose x value, x equals to 0, x equals to 0. So what is the value of y? Y equals to 6 minus 2x, means 6 minus 2 into 0, 6 minus 2 into 0. So 2 into 0, 0, 6 minus 0, 6, then y equal to 6, y equals to 6. Now another value, x equals to 2, x equals to 2. So what is the value of y? Y equals to 6 minus 2x, means 6 minus 2 into 2, 6 minus 2 into 2. Okay, now y equals to 6 minus 2 into 2, y equals to 6 minus 2 into 2, 4. Y equals to 6 minus 4 means y equals to 2. So what are the values of x and y? If x equal to 0, y equals 6, x equals to 2 and y equals to 2. Okay, clear? Now next one, algebraic form of 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. 4x, this is written as 4x minus 2y is equals to 4. This is minus 4, move opposite side, plus 4. Okay, 4x means this is written as 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals 0. So already 2y minus 2y, move opposite side, plus 2y. Remaining value is 4x minus 4. This is written as 4x minus 4 equals to 2y, or 2y equals to 4x minus 4. Then y equals to, now what do you observe here? Each and every value divisible by second table. 2 ones are 2. So divide by 2. So 2y by 2, 4x by 2, 4 by 2. So 2 2 cancel. 4 by 2 means 2 ones are 2 twos are, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So this is written as y equals to 4x minus 4 by 2, means 2 ones are 2 twos are, 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2x minus 2, 2x minus 2, y equals to 2x minus 2. Or another condition, each and every value is divisible by 2. 2y by 2 means we get y. 4x by 2 we get 2x. 4 by 2 we get 2. This is written as y equals to 2x minus 2. So we are going to the graph. Draw the graph first. So look at the, plotting the points, x equal to 0, y equal to 6, x equals to 2 and y equals to 2. At the same time equation 1 also. Clear? Now we are going to write down the solution table for second equation. Solution table for 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So this is written as 2y minus 2y minus 2y. Move opposite side, plus 2y plus 2y. Okay, Remaining value is 4x minus 4. 4x minus 4. This is written as 4x minus 4 equals to 2y, or 2y equals to 4x minus 4. Okay. Now already we got values. We have tried only solution table. Okay. Each and every one divisible by 2. We get 4x minus 4y equals to 2 means each and every one divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2 2s are 4x, and 2y y equal to 2x minus 2. Y equals to 2x minus 2. So return the x values and y value also. Y equals to 2x minus 2. Okay. So x value, you can take any one value, x equals to 2. Then y value, y equals to 2 into 2 minus 2. 2 into 2 minus 2. Okay. Y equals to 2 into 2 minus 2. 2 to the 4. 4 minus 2, 2. So then y equals to 4 minus 2, and y equals to 2. Y equals to 2. And second value, x equals to 3. X equals to 3. Find y value. Y equals to 2x minus 2 means 2 into 3 minus 2. 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. This is written as y equal to 6 minus 2 and y equals to 4. Y equals to 4. Clear? Now we are going to the graph. Draw the graph. So look at the graph. Plot the points. Already value 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 4. This is a equation y equal to 2x minus second equation. First equation points 2 3 and 0 comma 6. 2 3 and 0 comma 6. So what is 2 3? Here first equation 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3 and 0 comma 6. 0 comma 6. Second equation 2 comma 2, x2 y2 and x3 y4, x3 y4. Okay, join these two lines, we get intersecting lines. These two meet at a common point 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2. Clear? Now x equals to 2. X equals to 2 and y equals to 2 are solution for the given pair of equations. So what the equations? Y equals 6 minus 2x and y equal to 2x plus 2. Y equals to 2x plus 2. So what are the solution for given equations? X equals to 2 and y equals to 2. These two are solution for given equations. Okay students, thank you.